Dear aspirants, welcome to my channel. This is a model question paper 3 electronics and communication applied electronics. Subject code is 25EC21I, second semester. Okay. Compare the energy gap between conductor, semiconductor, insulator. In a conductor, the energy gap is zero or very small. It means valency and conduction bands are overlap. Okay. In a semiconductor, energy gap is small. Electrons, it is about 1 eV. Okay. In insulator, energy gap is very large. It is greater than 3 eV, and the energy gap increasing from conductor, semiconductor and insulator. Next, explain how photodiode produce current when exposed to light and mention on of its application. It is a photodiode. It is a operation based on reverse bias. When a light fall on it, the photons generated, okay, electron volts a pair produce a current. The photo current increases with the intensity of the light. Where we have to use this, we can use it for light sensors. For example, optical communication system, there we can use this type of. Next will be and mention the application of BJT transistor. First, this which we can use it for amplifiers of electron circuits, and we can use it for switch it for digital circuits, and we can use it for oscillator circuit, and we can use it for signal modulation circuits. We can next mention two main types of FETs. PET are one feature that distinguish them. There's a two main types of FETs. Okay, one is a JFET, is a junction FET, and one more is a MOSFET. It is a metal oxide semiconductor FET. The distinguish between the features for that, the first one, the P junction gate, it has having a P junction gate, and second one MOSFET, it is having a insulated gate. It is oxide layer. The name only indicate, okay, oxide layer. Next, mention application of RC coupled amplifiers. Okay. That we can use it for audio amplifiers, which we can use it for radio and TV receivers, and which we can use it for small signal amplification, and we can use it for pre-amplifier stages. And the next one is an explain the purpose of DC load line in a BJT amplifier. In the DC line load, represent all possible combination of the collect current in a IC and collector emitter voltage is, we call it as an VCE for given circuit. It is having a IC and VCE in the given circuit. It is used for determine operating point nothing Q points of the transistor. It helps to a proper biases, and it is used for deterioration free amplification process. We can use it for DC load in a BJT amplifier. Next, what is the depletion type MOSFET? Mention one application of depletion type of MOSFET. In a depletion type of MOSFET, it is a device conduct even when the gate voltage is 0 or it is normally switch on. Gate voltage, when the gate voltage is 0, it is normally on, it seems. It is having a dry current, can control by applying positive or negative gate voltage. And main application which we can use it for amplifier circuits. Okay, next question, what is direct coupled amplifier? Mention its any one application. In a direct coupled amplifier, it is a type of an amplifier. When the stage are connected without coupling components like a capacitor or transformers, allow both AC and DC signal to pass. That we call it as a direct coupled amplifier. So without connecting amplifier coupling components like a capacitors or a transformer, so which allow both AC and DC signals which it is going to pass. Applications where we are to use, we can use it for DC amplifiers. For example, you can give measuring instrument, there we can use direct coupled amplifier. Okay, See, if the content is useful, please subscribe my channel, share and support, and keep watching my channel. Thank you.